What's going on, everyone? We're going to look at the S&P 500. We're going to talk about this stock market crash that I'm seeing some people start to kind of loom out there in social media. So what I'm looking at here is the SPY ETF. Now today, a little bit of a down day, finished down 1%. But again, nothing to be too alarmed or concerned about. Why is that? Okay, so if you were to ask me right now, are we more bull biased or bear biased? We have to be more on the bulls side. Now again, does that mean that we can't take trades to the downside intraday if it provides an opportunity for a quick scalp for cash flow? Of course not, right? But if we kind of look going all the way back to October 2022, if you kind of look to the left of my screen here, look at those bottom lows of 348.11 in the month of October 2022. Okay, 348.11, let's call it 350 for the sake of the video. We're currently trading at $410. So we're up 60 points in the matter of less than 6, 7, 8 months. Okay, is this look like healthy bull price action? Never mind what's going on with the banks, never mind what's going on with interest rates or the FOMC or earnings. Let's just block all of that out of our minds for just 1 second in time, because a lot of that creates a very, very strong emotional connection and an emotional bias inside of us that gives us a little bit of dictatorship over where we think that the market is going. We start trying to time the top, and we start trying to time the bottom. Let's just go with the flow and overall the market with whatever direction that it wants to go. So if we kind of just look at where the market is going here, nice big pop followed by a little bit of a back test here, held this linear regression line all the way up to the top linear regression channel line, and then followed by another back test here. But look at these lines that I drew, okay? Higher low, higher low. Ooh, are we getting ready to pull back and put in that higher low? Now, if that's the case, I can see us pulling back to 395, 390 even. Hell, we can even come down into the 380s and still be putting in a higher low for the next move higher. All in all, this looks like very, very healthy price action. Okay, so if you look at from the time of November into December, we had about a 2-month acceleration, okay, followed by about a month worth of pullback, and then we got into another 2-month acceleration followed by a month pullback, followed by about a month, almost month and a half acceleration, right? Could we be looking at a month pullback? Now, if we do have about a month pullback, I could see that 390, 395 price target come into kind of effect. So depending on if you're a day trader or a swing trader, if you're a swing trader, you're starting to build a position here, okay? You're starting to build your position here for the potential move back down, so you can start selling along the way, okay? If you're a swing trader. If you're a day trader, you just need to do enough research to kind of see what's the price action look like for tomorrow. For tomorrow, for me, if we break 417.29, obviously, whenever that happens, obviously that's 7 points away. It doesn't look like it's going to come tomorrow. But when we do start to break the 417, 418, that's when we're going to want to go long again for us day traders. Again, you know, we're going to have to look at the smaller time frames to kind of see where can we get in, you know, like where can we really fit in. Today was an absolute phenomenal day. If you just kind of look at what the SPY did today, you know, look at the first hour candle here. Okay, look at what we did after opening range, after the opening range break, right? So we came down, we put in a low at around 413, and then this next hour candle just absolutely destroyed. That 10 a.m. candle, guys, I'm telling you, is so important. You need to follow the 10 a.m. candle. Does it take out pre-market highs? Does it take out pre-market lows? How much room does it have? Where potentially could we be heading? But this candle absolutely shredded from a price of 413 all the way down to where did it stop? Guys, these levels do not just come out of nowhere, okay? It's not like I just put this line here and said, okay, this is where we stopped. Let me go ahead and add this demand zone. This demand zone is here. There's a reason why I have so much junk on my chart. I want to know where potentially is the stock price going? Where potentially could we be heading? We potentially could be heading down to 408.94. We've come down to 408.94. Yes. We were down 5, 6, 7, 8 points at one point in time on the SPY. Now, does that mean that the market's going to hell in a handbasket, that everything's going to zero? Absolutely not. But does it mean that we could be getting ready for a little bit of a pullback? Maybe, but you got to also kind of give those bulls the benefit of the doubt, just due to the fact that yes, once they did come down here, we didn't necessarily close at the bottom of the range. Yes, we are still below the 5, 10, and 20-day moving averages, but we did try to wick up higher going into the end of the day. Now, again, what we're going to want to see if the market is going to get that month pullback, you know, particularly into like 392 to 395 area, we're going to need to confirm today's price action to the downside. So what I would be looking at is 407.84, and then from there I want to play that into 405.21. Okay, then from there, as soon as we get confirmation on a daily candle close below the 50 EMA, we're going to play the 405 into 402. Then from there, we need to let the market rest, because that's going to be a strong area to potentially bounce between 399, 402. That was a troublesome spot back here before we broke out. Now that we have broken out, we're coming back down to back test. It could act as a little bit of support here. I really don't see a short position, you know, besides the two that I put in here: 407 to 405, 405 to 402, 402 to 400 ish, right? 399, 400. And then from there, I don't see nothing until we lose at least 393. I'll wait. When we lose 393, that's potentially going to be your macro short trade. That potentially could put in a new low. Again, we won't know until we lose a 200-day moving average, but you know, that is what it is. As of right now, we're looking at a double top to the top side here. We would still need to clear out 418. Anything over 418, this is market's going to just continue to send, right? Do we get it right now? Not too sure. Again, kind of just keep your eye on it. Over 418, we do want to be long-sided bias. But that was my technical analysis today for the S&P 500. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this type of content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I do live trading, trade along with the team. We kind of go over, you know, everything intraday, and then we just kind of have at it, you know, and place our trades all day, every day. If you want to learn, it's a great space to kind of be in. Again, I will see you guys all in the next video.